All right, number 6 on the ACT practice here. These are absolute value, these fence posts, and we're going to work from the inside out. So we're going to start with these ones on the inside and then work our way out. Remember, absolute value is the distance from 0. So like if you have the absolute value of say -5, that's just going to be 5 because you got to think of a number line and think how far away is -5 from 0? That's 5 units away. So I'm going to start on the very inside here. So -8 plus 4 would be -4. Okay, and then 3 minus 9 would be -6. Okay, so I'm going to do the absolute value of -4, which is just 4, and the minus, keep this, and then the absolute value of -6. Don't distribute here. You got to do the absolute value first. So how far is -6 from 0? Right, that's just 6 units away. So that's going to be a 6. Now subtract those. 4 minus 6 is -2. And then how far away is -2 from 0 on a number line? It's just 2 units away. So answer letter D, number 2.